we may have seen the last of Daniel Ricciardo in an F1 car. And that kind of comes after the Singapore Grand Prix, where they've got, was it 3 or 4 weeks off now, something, and his future is kind of up in the air. As far as I have seen, heard, read, whatever you want to say, Liam Lawson is going to be getting that ride at least next year and probably for the rest of the season. And you gotta say, Daniel Ricciardo, absolutely incredible personality, great for sponsors, great for the team, great for PR stuff, and at one point, probably one of the fastest drivers on the grid. Obviously, multi-time winner, in multiple cars. Not something that's easy to do, let's put it that way. But when he was it last year when he was the reserve driver for Red Bull, obviously that was just kind of a hey, let's come do PR stuff. Gets back into the racing bulls or whatever you want to call this car, and you would expect him to outperform Sonoda. For all intents and purposes, somebody of his skill, somebody of his uh, experience, I guess you want to say, should have been racing for the best of the rest. You've got two Ferraris, two Mercedes, two McLarens, and two Red Bulls. He should be fighting, so there's eight. So he should be fighting anywhere from like ninth to 12th, pretty much every single race, and it just hasn't happened. And whether that's the car, whether that's him, you know, 5, 6 years after leaving Red Bull being slower than he was, who knows? I mean, it sucks to see that he is one of the most upbeat, probably best people to have on the grid or for questions, personality wise, just incredible. But you can't keep him in a car because he's good on camera. And especially when you have somebody like Liam Lawson, who, when he had his fill in ride, showed that he has speed and looked like he was good. And how long are you just going to sit here and keep him as a reserve driver forever and just, hey, yeah, we're never going to give you a ride, but you have to come to every single race, so you can't do anything else. And I don't know, for Ricardo, at this point, you might just say, okay, I'm going to go try something else then. Either a different form of racing. I mean, why not? If you're not gonna be getting the Red Bull seat, more than likely you're not gonna be getting a seat from somebody else. So why not just move on to something else instead of this in out sort of maybe kinda, I don't know, situation. Just go and do something else. Try a different form of racing. Could be fun. But I don't know. You guys, comments down below. You tell me. Do you watch F1? Do you care at all? Uh, who are you rooting for? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.